Hello there. In this video, I'm going to show how to run the PM 2.5 deep learning model in an AWS G4DN instance. The steps to set up the environment is provided in the ST Center GitHub repository PM 2.5 retrieval project. I'm going to follow this instruction: AWS G4DN instance with NVIDIA Tesla T4. I'm already in the remote desktop. First, I'm going to check what is the available GPU devices in this instance. For that, go to device manager, go to display adapters, and you will see there are 4 NVIDIA Tesla T4 GPUs. The instruction to how to set up this is provided in the GitHub. You can follow these instructions. I already installed the CUDA 10.2 and I downloaded the DNN library for CUDA. I'm going to show from the step how to create the virtual environment and run the script. For that, first I'm going to the command prompt and I'm going inside the documents. You can use any directory of your choice. First, I'm going to create a directory called PM 2.5 multi GPU and I'm going to that directory. Now I'm going to create a virtual environment. So here it's very important to know that we need to use Python 3.8 because the script Python 3.8 it's supported by the script. I'm going to say yes for this. Now I'm going to activate the virtual environment. Now I'm inside the virtual environment. The next step is I'm going to download the repository. If you have Git in your machine, you can simply clone it. Since there is no Git in this instance, I'm going to download it as a zip file. For that, I'm going here and download zip. If I go inside the downloads, okay, it's here. Copy the recommends file, the retrieval underscore model underscore multi GPU file from here and put it inside the project directory. This is where I have made the project directory. So the next step, I will be downloading the training data for this model. For that, you can use this link. This is where we provided the training data. Download the training data. Unzip the downloaded compressed folder. Now I'm going to copy this CSV file, the training data file, and put it inside the project directory PM 2.5 multi GPU. The next step, I'm going to install the packages. The packages required for this script is listed inside this requirements.txt file. It's installing NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow 2.2. It is to be noted that we are using TensorFlow 2.2 for this deep learning, for this PM 2.5 deep learning model, and it is also installing TensorFlow GPU. it will take a while to install all the packages. The package installation is completed now. Now I'm going to run the multi GPU script. I'm going to copy this line and run it in the terminal. Here you can note I'm using all the CUDA visible devices, so it will include 4 GPU devices that are available in this instance. I'm going to the PowerShell and call the NVIDIA SMI to see the status of the GPU. Here you can see it has found all the 4 GPU devices and it started training the model. Okay, so I got this error, no OP kernel was registered to support. In case if you encounter this error, we provided a fix in the README. You can replace line number 68 to this. I'm going to copy this line and put it in the retrieval in the Python script. It's line number 68. I'm changing the strategy to this. So now I'm going to run again. Yes, it has started training the model. Now let's go back and check the NVIDIA SMI. So here you can see the memory utilization of the GPU and the GPU utilization. It shows it's utilizing all the 4 GPUs. When I ran it for the first time, it took almost almost 24 minutes to complete it. Now I'm going to show how to use the single GPU. For that I'm going to copy this line and run it through the terminal. Here you can notice it will utilize just 1 GPU. Now let's go back to the NVIDIA SMI. It started training the model. Now go to the NVIDIA SMI and see. Okay, you can notice only one GPU is used for training the model. When I ran for the first time, it took around 10 minutes to train the model. That's the end of this video and thanks for watching.